Unveiling the benefits of regular professional marble polishing. Marble is revered for its timeless beauty and unparalleled elegance. However, regular wear and damage will diminish its charm. That's where professional marble polishing comes in, breathing new life into dull, worn-out marble surfaces. Marble polishing is a highly specialized process that requires expert skills and precision. Our trained technicians use advanced equipment and diamond polishing tools to achieve a flawless finish. Planned polishing every year or two with polishing or crystallizing powders is a cost-effective solution, costing around £30 per square meter and often completed in just a day or two, helping you maintain the elegance and longevity of your marble surfaces without the high costs and timescale of restoration. Without a consistent polishing schedule, scratches and damage can accumulate, resulting in the need for complete restoration. Restoration involves resurfacing the marble to remove deep scratches and wear, followed by honing and polishing to restore its original luster. Restoration isn't just more intensive, it's also significantly more expensive. At over £80 per square meter, it costs more than twice as much as regular polishing and takes 2 to 3 times longer to complete. So, save yourself time and money by keeping up with regular maintenance. A little preventive care can keep your marble looking immaculate and avoid the costly process of restoration. Polished marble offers practical benefits. It is more hygienic as there are no scratches to hide soil and bacteria. It is easier to clean and maintain. By removing scratches and stains, polishing prevents further deterioration, prolonging the lifespan of your marble. The polished surface also prevents the buildup of bacteria and other contaminants, promoting better hygiene in areas like kitchens and bathrooms. Regular marble polishing ensures that your surfaces are not only beautiful but also safe and sanitary, providing a healthier environment for you and your family. In conclusion, professional marble polishing is a vital and cost-effective aspect of maintaining marble surfaces in Surrey homes. Remember, professional assistance is essential for optimal results and a flawless finish. For help with your marble, contact tilecleansurrey.co.uk today.